the only man I ever wanted and I ever needed. Oh, honey, didn't I give you nearly everything I ever had to give? I tried to do it. Each time I tell myself that I think I've had enough work. I'm gonna show you, baby, that a woman can be tough. Won't you take home, and take it? Take another little piece of my heart now. Come on. Another little piece of my heart. Yeah, come on. You know you got it if it makes you feel good. Come on.